Hi everyone, it's the Valentine's Day season and I'm so excited to be back and bringing you on YouTube a new video which is all about Valentine's Day tree decor. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorate one of my Christmas trees for Valentine's Day. If you're new here, my name is Anthea and my channel is all about home decor, gardening, and crochet. So let's get started. This tree is a 6.5 foot tall tree, and I decorated it using flowers, some greenery, ribbon and mesh, and some small twinkle lights. And there are 1,000 lights on this tree. Isn't it so pretty? The lights are sourced from a company called Spotlight Electric. Aren't the lights pretty? They also have several flash functions on them. So now that I finished putting on the beautiful twinkle lights on this tree, I also turned the pine cones facing in towards the neck of the tree because I don't want that Christmas look with pine cones. It's a Valentine's Day tree. So you might be wondering, what am I doing for decoration? So I went to Michael's, our local Michael's, and I picked up some supplies. And I'll show you the color scheme that I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of not doing the traditional red, but I want to do pinks and whites. So some of the supplies that I got, they are called mesh, and this is made by Celebrate It from Michael's, and it has the pink iridescent shimmer that runs through that tool, or mesh as some people call it, and that is 5.5 inches by 45 feet long. So hopefully that will do for what I'm thinking of designing on this tree. The next mesh I have, again by Celebrate It, is Chunky Glitter Tool, and that has the iridescent sparkle that is also running through that. And that tool is 6 inches wide by 8 yards. This is called Poly Burlap Mesh. Isn't that pretty? And that is in the pink. Again, I'm not thinking of focusing on red this year for Valentine's Day. As of right now, I'm thinking of doing the pinks and the whites. But we'll see as we go along, because some of my decorations, or actually a lot of my decor for Valentine's Day previously, are the red. So I'll have to see if I can incorporate that, but still focus on keeping this a very pink themed Valentine's Day decor for my home. And this mesh is 10 inches wide, so 10 inches this way, by 19 feet long. So that's quite a bit of mesh on there. And then the last roll that I got is Celebrate It again, Poly Burlap Mesh, and that is a white and pink plaid effect or gingham effect or checkered effect, however you'd like to label that as. And that is 10 inches by 19 feet. Next up, I'm thinking of adding this ribbon on the decor that I'm doing. This roll here is wired white with gold running through the middle, very softly. So it's not real stark gold, just a nice soft gold. And that yardage on there, if you're interested, it's 1.5 inch wide ribbon, so this way here, and it's got 3 yards on it. And what I'm thinking of is using pieces of it to add into the decor that I'm going to be making. This is iridescent pink ribbon, and that's picking up the iridescent colors in the pink mesh that I showed you already. So that's going to blend nicely with it, and that is 7/8 inch wide ribbon by 5 yards. And the last one that I picked up is this lovely soft pinky rose ribbon, and that is 5/8 inch wide by 7 yards. And all of this ribbon is by Celebrate It from Michael's. To put all this together, I picked up these pipe cleaners, and I won't be using the full length. I'll be using half of that to put the decoration together, so you have to watch and see how I use those. And then I was finishing purchasing my supplies, and I was in the wedding aisle. Sometimes you have to think outside of the box. It was Valentine's Day, but I went to the wedding aisle because the wedding aisle is about love and hearts. And this is what I found. Aren't those sweet? And they were on sale for $7 each. And they're cake toppers. It spells the word love, and it has individual letters that you put into a cake. As to how that's going to transform on my tree, I haven't figured that out yet, but I have an idea. So watch and see what I do with those. And I picked up two. Not sure if I'm going to be using both of them. One for sure, hopefully. But I thought those were pretty, and I'd incorporate that to match the gold that's on one of the spools of ribbon that I got.
Let me show you how I made the mesh bow decorations for this tree. It was certainly an easy decoration to make, and it really didn't take long at all. I then added the greenery, and this greenery again I shopped at my home here. It was a green ivy that I used and I have used throughout my home on previous videos. You may have noticed it. And why I wanted to use this ivy was it took away a little bit, I felt, from the fact that this was an actual Christmas tree, and just softened it so you didn't see a lot of that Christmassy looking structure to what I was decorating. I was able to shop my home for all of the flowers and greenery, so money saved there. I then added the mesh bows. And then I added the berries at the top, long stem pink roses, and greenery. My Valentine's Day tree this year, I think, has a very soft and romantic feel to it, and I really love how it turned out. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on seeing any of my upcoming videos.
Just a little hint, my next video will be a reveal of how I've decorated the whole house for Valentine's Day in my living room, kitchen, and dining room. So make sure to watch for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.